So as you guys know from the last video with like the stage 0 stuff, I told y'all about the tail light and that I need to replace that immediately. Well, your boy finally got the tail light. It just came in today. So yeah, this is our light, a new tail lamp assembly for the Mitsu. I'm not gonna take it out yet because we gotta make a quick stop to AutoZone because I need socket wrenches and stuff. All right. So now we're good to go. We're finna head to AutoZone because your boy ain't got no tools. And I need tools. So that's gonna be fun.
20 minutes later.
Let's go in here and spend some moolah, sadly.
One week later.
This is the headlight we're changing, okay? The new headlight is in the crib. I'm not gonna bring that out just yet. You got a screw right there that we gotta get. All right, so now we basically like took out everything that's in the trunk from the back panel. Took the back panel out just now. Took out the little floorboards and stuff. I got like a little table over here just with everything from the lights, everything I take out so I know where they go and remember where they go. So now I think we finna actually start unscrewing shit, and I would prefer to have like a little baby box or some shit to put them in so I know what's what. You can't lose this shit, man. I'm just saying. I'm broke, so I can't afford to get a new one. Now that that back panel is off, it reveals 2 screws. This one right here, this one right there, and then you got some screws down here like that one right there, and I believe there's another one. Just don't know where it is, so now we just gotta unscrew those shits and get all these panels and stuff off. And now that we got those screws out, there's a third screw, but we have to, the back seats, we have to lean those forward so we can access that particular screw. So now that we gotta do that, let's move on to that part and get this thing on the ball. Hope you guys doing good today. You know, I can remember my first time. Taking out a tail light, that is. What you thought I was talking about. So I missed 2 screws. We don't talk about it. One right here. Hope you guys are doing good today. If you guys don't mind hitting that subscribe button. I know most people don't work on 4G Eclipses, but this guy does. I'm about to crawl in this bitch. Oh yeah! Oh damn! God! Oh my balls! I'm a little cheeked up. I know. You wanna do, baby? I think that's your trunk light. One of them shits. So gotta be extremely careful with taking this damn panel off, which I'm pretty sure I just fucked it, but because that shit's off now. Looks like we're going back to AutoZone. So after another trip to AutoZone, I needed some pliers and I needed some closed-in wrenches, so I'm gonna use these bits, but these gnats are finna run me down the fucking street. And now we should have access to the, I think it's this bolt and like one more, I think, when they're both like 10 mils. So lucky me, I guess, because I'll fucking had it with this damn tail light. I'm gonna be honest. Now that we got that removed, this light should be able to, yep, just like that. So yeah, this is the old assembly. Now we got the new one over there ready to go. And then yeah, pretty much after that, we got this shit out. Thank God. All right, so now we just finna. Whoo, that was close. Oh, that was a good save. Good Lord. So now that we got this out, the old assembly, we can just get rid of it. Now we're going to put this new one in, which it does look nice. I don't know if certain stuff need to be taken off, but I don't want to take them off. I'm pretty sure most of these are tightened like how they're supposed to. So now we just untangle that. Now we just put this baby on in there. Let's get to it. You gotta love fucking with your car a little bit, even though this really isn't much, but it means something to me, damn it. These bugs are getting on my nerves. But for the most part, we got good fitment on it. Boom. So now, before we put everything back together, I just plugged it in. Now it's time to test it, make sure it works. All right, so that's a good sign. Blinkers work. Oh shit, my door closed by itself. Blinkers work. Boom, there we go. Tail light works. Let's try hazards. Nicely done, hazards work. And now I pumped the brakes a little bit. I can see my phone from here that I'm using to record. We did it. Well, we pretty much changed our tail light. It took me a little while because I was very ill prepared. This is like something I was just winging. So now we got to put everything back together. God damn. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, new tail light is installed. Now I won't get stopped by the cops. I mean, I didn't before, but like just saying. Everything back together. I took it off a couple of times just to make sure that like fitment was like perfect. Yeah, I'm pretty stoked about it. I'm happy that I got a new one. OEM at that. So new tail light is installed. So now I can drive at night without looking over my shoulder every 30 fucking seconds. It took longer than expected because one, I was ill prepared, and two, I was recording and I had to make 2 stops to AutoZone, and then honestly putting it back together was faster than fucking taking that bitch apart, to be honest. Yeah, so with that, guys, make sure you guys subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video, and yeah.
I remember, baby.